Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ndem and you're so welcome. And if you're an old subscriber, hey, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing great. On today's video, I'll be doing this ponytail extension. If this sounds like something you're interested in, then stay tuned. What I'll be using for this tutorial will be this drawstring net, a crochet hook, and the hair. The hair I'll be using will be an expression braiding hair in color 1. Then I'll be cutting the hair into three parts and stretch it. Also, I'll be using this pin to help me secure the net onto the mannequin head. I'm going to start by pinning down the net onto the mannequin head. Okay guys, now that I have the net secured on the head, I'll go ahead and start crocheting the hair in smaller pieces. You can crochet it in any size that you want. Since I want it to be full, I'll be crocheting it in smaller pieces. You want to just crochet it until the whole net is completely covered. Now that I finished crocheting, you can see how full that is looking. So what I'll do now is I'll go ahead and start taking little portions of the hair and do a box braid. And when I'm doing the box braid, I'm trying as much as possible to make it tight. Braiding the hair tight will help define the curves. Now I'll go ahead and put it in hot water. Then I'll towel dry it. After towel drying it, I will start loosening the braids. And you want to loosen it when it's a little bit wet. Like, check that out, guys. See how full and beautiful the curves are looking. Wow. Okay guys, that was it for this video. Tell me what you think about this video in the comment section. And if you like videos like this one, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so anytime I post a new video you won't miss out. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.